Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to check whether the given character is an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, digit or a special symbol. We will see the demo. Ch is a variable equal to input of enter a character. The input statement display enter character in the console. When you use enter character, that will get stored in the variable ch. Now I am using if elif else ladder to check the given character is uppercase, lowercase, digit or alphabet. I am checking if ch greater than or equal to capital A and ch less than or equal to capital Z colon. And is a logical operator. It will return true. Both the left side and the right side expressions are true. That means if the value in the variable ch greater than or equal to capital A and less than or equal to capital Z, I am printing print the variable ch followed by a string is an uppercase letter. If this is true, the process statement will get executed. The control will come out of the entire if elif else structure. If it is false, it will come to next statement. Here I am writing elif. Elif ch greater than or equal to small a and ch less than or equal to small z colon print the variable ch for a string is a lower case letter. That means the value of the variable ch greater than or equal to small a and less than or equal to small z. That means it is in the range of small a to small z. I am printing the variable ch is a lowercase letter. Also false, the control will come to the next elif. Here I am checking elif ch greater than or equal to character 0 and ch less than or equal to the character 9 colon. I am printing print ch followed by is a digit. If this condition is true, ch, the value of the variable ch is in the range of 0 to 9, character 0 to character 9, we print ch is a digit. That means if the value of the variable greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 9 is the range of 0 to 9, we print ch is a digit. Else I am writing print ch is a special symbol. I am explaining a program. I am obtaining a character input from the user to the input statement. I am storing it in the variable ch. I am checking if ch greater than or equal to capital A and ch less than or equal to capital Z. If both the conditions are true, the value of variable ch in the range of greater than or equal to A and less than or equal to Z in the range of A to Z. The condition is true, it will print ch is an uppercase letter. The logical operator and will return true when the expression in the left side and the expression in the right side are true. If this is false, control will come to the first elif and check ch greater than or equal to small a and ch less than or equal to small z. If this condition is true, I am printing ch is a lowercase letter. If this condition also false, the control will come to the next elif and check ch equal to greater than or equal to 0 and ch less than or equal to 9. If this is true, I am printing ch is a digit. If this is also false, the control will come to the else statement and print ch is a special symbol. All the conditions are false. The value of the ch is not an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and a digit. So in this case, I am printing ch is a special symbol. So in the if elif else statement, only one block will get executed. in a particular execution. If this condition is true, the statement will get executed. Control will come out of the entire if else statement. This is same for the if this elif is true, the statement only will get executed. If this is false, the control will come to the next elif and check this condition is true. The statement will only get executed and control will come out of the entire structure. If both the if and elif are false, the control will come to the else and print the value ch is a special symbol. Now we will execute the program and check the result. New program, enter a character. I am giving capital D. So output is D is an uppercase letter. I am executing a program again. I am giving small f, getting output. F is a lowercase letter. I am running this program again. I am giving the number 6. I am getting 6 is a digit. I am running this program again. I am giving a hash symbol. So hash is a special symbol. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for the continuous updates. Please subscribe to my channel for the continuous update. Share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.